The case against Richard Allen, the only one accused of being the bridge guy and killing best friends, Libby and Abby. There seems to be a massive divide in this case, with one half believing that Richard is being set up, and he is the fall guy in the case, while others believe he did it. It's not coincidental that he was on the bridge that day, and also witnesses saw him wearing the same clothes as this guy in the picture. Witnesses also said he looked dirty, like he was covered in mud or blood. They couldn't tell, but that is some damning evidence. Anyway, what I'm about to share with you now comes with a trigger warning. Yesterday in court, the jury were shown images of the girls in the crime scene. It was so disturbing there were audible gasps in the courtroom, and the jury looked uncomfortable seeing the graphic images. The first witness was Carroll County Deputy Darren Giancola. He was the first law enforcement officer on the scene after the bodies of Libby German and Abby Williams were found on February 14, 2017. This officer was off duty when the girls went missing, but went into work about 10 the night of February 13th, after seeing the case on social media. He testified and got emotional while talking about the condition the girl's body was found in. One was nude, the other was clothed. Both had large lacerations on their throat. They both had a substantial amount of blood on their person and underneath. Just absolutely heartbreaking, 2 young lives stolen by a despicable monster. The second witness to take the stand was Jason Page. Page works for Indiana State Police in the Crime Scene Investigation Unit. He was responsible for photographing the crime scene and the girls' bodies. Some photos showed a close-up of Libby's slashed throat and bloody face. It was so disturbing and horrifying, what these girls went through on that day. The girls' family were sitting in the gallery, very emotional and crying. Prosecutors said that Richard Allen hid in plain sight. Testimony will continue. The trial is expected to last until mid-November.